Welcome back, students. So we'll be moving on to the next set of problems. So here we need to find whether the given terms forms an AP. If they form an AP, we need to find the next three terms. So here, if we see the first problem, it is 2, 4, 8, 16. So we need to find whether they form an AP. If they form an AP, we need to find the next three terms. So the first term, A1 is 2, A2 is 4, A1, A2, A3, A4. So what is D? It is A2 minus A1. So it is 4 minus 2, 2. So if we, for the third and second term, A3 minus A2, it is 8 minus 4, 4. So we can stop here because the first common difference when we took second and first term was 2, and the second common difference when we took third and second term was 4. The common difference in both the cases are not the same, hence this does not form an AP. Coming to the second question, 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2, A1, A2, A3 and A4. So here the first common difference, same, A2 minus A1, it is 5 by 2 minus 2. The LCM is 2. So 5, here it is 1. So 2 into 2, 4. It is 1 by 2. In the second, A3 minus A2, it is 3 minus 5 by 2. So LCM 2. Here it will be 6 minus 5, it is 1 by 2. So here it is 1 by 2, here also it is 1 by 2. So let's take one more because it's better always to solve all the given terms, because sometimes there might be such cases where the last term will not form the sequence. So it is always safer to find all the terms. So if we take the other term, it is A4 minus A3. A4 is 7 by 2 minus 3. LCM is 2. So 7 minus 6 is 1 by 2. In all the cases it is same. So the common difference is 1 by 2 in each of the cases. So if you want to find the next three terms, so here we know till A4. So what is A5? It is A4 plus D. What is A4? A4 is 7 by 2. What is common difference? 1 by 2. So it is 8 by 2, nothing but 4. Similarly, A6, A5 plus D. What is A5? It is 4. What is D? 1 by 2. So on simplification we get 9 by 2. So similarly, what is A7? A6 plus D. What is A6? 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 5. So the next three terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. So moving on to the next problem. Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2 and minus 1.2. The first common difference, minus 3.2. So it is A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus 3.2, minus of minus 1.2. So minus into minus plus. So it will be plus. So minus 3.2 plus 1.2. It is minus 2. So the next common difference, A3 minus A2. What is A3? Minus 5.2. Minus of minus 3.2. Minus into minus plus. So minus 5.2 plus 3.2. It is minus 2. Next, minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2. Again, minus into minus plus. So minus 1.2 plus 5.2. It is minus 2. So in each case it is minus 2. Hence the common difference is same. So we need to find the next three terms. So A1, A2, A3, A4. So what is A5, it is A4 plus D. What is A4? Minus 7.2. Minus 7.2. What is D? It is, so plus D is minus 2. So minus 7.2 plus minus 2. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 7.2. So minus 7.2 minus 2. It is minus 9.2. So similarly, A6, A5 plus D. What is A5? Minus 9.2. So plus, what is D? Minus 2. So minus 9.2 plus into minus is minus. So minus 9.2 minus 2 is minus 7.2. So next, what is A7? A6 plus D. What is A6? Minus 7.2 plus minus 2. Plus into minus is minus. So minus 11.2 minus 2 is minus 13.2. So the next three terms are minus 9.2, minus 7.2 and minus 13.2. So moving on to the fourth one. So A1, A2, A3, A4 and it continues. So what is D in first case? A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus 6. What is A1? Minus 10. So minus 6 minus into minus is plus. So minus 6 plus 10 is 4. So what is D in second case? A3 minus A2. What is A3? Minus 2. Minus of what is A2? Minus 6. So minus 2. Minus into minus plus. So it is 4. Third case. It is A4 minus A3. What is A4? 2. Minus what is A3? Minus 2. So 2 plus 2 because minus into minus is plus. What is 2 plus 2? 4. So in all the cases it is 4. So the common difference is same. So the next three terms are A5, A4 plus D. What is A4? A4 is 2. What is D? 4. So it is 6. Next, A6, A5 plus D. What is A5? 6. What is D? 4. So next, A7, A6 plus D. What is A6? 10. What is D? 4. 14. So the next three terms are 6, 10 and 14. So next here. So this is important. So it is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 3 and so on. So what is A here? A is 3, D is 3, sorry, the second term A1, this is A is 3, A2 is 3 plus root 2. What is D? A2 minus A1. What is A2? 3 plus root 2. What is A1? It's minus 3. So the answer is root 2. And the next D. It is A3 minus A2. What is A3? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus what is A1? 3 plus root 2. So if we remove the brackets, it will be 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So 3 gets cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. So next D. So similarly here D, it is A4 minus A3. What is A4? 3 plus 3 root 2. So what is A3? Minus 3 plus 2 root 2. So 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. So here it is root 2 and root 2. So the common difference is same. Hence it forms an AP. So we need to find the other three terms. So we know what is A4. So to find A5, it is A4 plus D. What is A4? 3 plus 3 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2. What is D? It is root 2. So it is 3 plus 4 root 2. Next, A6. A5 plus D. What is A5? 3 plus 4 root 2. 3 plus 4 root 2. What is D? Root 2. Hence it is 3 plus 5 root 2. So similarly, last A7. It is A6 plus D. What is A6? 3 plus 5 root 2. What is D? Root 2. Hence it is 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are the next three terms.